students, good day. This is Teacher Ray again, Teacher Ray Nalo. I am back, and for today's lesson, we will be learning about problem solving. Okay, so kindly repeat after teacher. Problem solving. Problem solving. Very good. Okay, now before anything else, let's do our vocabulary. And please don't forget to repeat after teacher. Number one. Hi, hi, hi. Spell H I G H. H I G H. Hi, hi, hi. Very good. Number two. Measure, measure, measure. Spell M E A S U R E. M E A S U R E. Measure, measure. Good job. Number three. Short, short, short. Spell S H O R T. S H O R T. Short, short. Good job. Okay, here I want you to get your mathematics book and open it to page 42. Again, get your mathematics book and open it to page 42. As what I have said a while ago, for today's lesson, we'll be learning about problem solving. Okay, are you ready? Very good. Okay, let's read this all together. You have a piece of string. You use 45 cm or centimeters to tie a parcel. You still have 35 cm left. How long was the piece of string? Again, you have a piece of string. You use 45 cm to tie a parcel. You still have 35 cm left. How long was the piece of string? Now, based on the question, how long was the piece of string? What do you think? What operations are you going to use? Are you going to subtract or you are going to add? Okay, so here the string you use for tying is 45 cm. The second one, the string that is left, 35 cm. And we can now add 5 plus 5, that is equal to 10, and bring down 0 and carry 1 to the tens place. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8. So how long was the piece of string? Yes, of course, that is 80 centimeter or cm. How long was the piece of string? 80 cm or 80 centimeters. And our answer here is 80 cm or 80 centimeters. Next example. Okay, let's read this together. The height of the bigger plant is 74 cm. The height of the smaller plant is 55 cm. How much taller is the bigger plant? Again, the height of the bigger plant is 74 cm. The height of the smaller plant is 55 cm. How much taller is the bigger plant? So what do you think? Based on the question, how much taller is the bigger plant? What are we going to do? Yes, of course, the height of the bigger plant is 74 cm minus the height of the smaller plant, 55 cm. Okay, so let's try to subtract. 4 minus 5 cannot be, since the upper digit is smaller than the lower digit. So we need to go to the tens place and borrow, cancel 7, becomes 6, and 4 in the ones place becomes 14. And 14 minus 5 is equal to 9, and 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So to answer this question, how much taller is the bigger plant? 19 centimeter or 19 cm. The bigger plant is taller by 19 cm or centimeters. Okay, did you get it? Very good. Okay, so our answer here is 19 cm or 19 centimeter. Okay, next example. Problem to solve. And don't forget to show your method here. Number 1. The height of a table is 55 cm. The stool is 28 cm. If you put the stool on the table, what will the total height be? Again, the height of a table is 55 cm. The stool is 28 cm. If you put the stool on the table, what will the total height be? Okay, in order for us to know what will the total if you are going to put the stool on the table. What do you think? Yes, of course, you have to add. So number sentence is 55 plus 28. First, you have to write the table's height. That is 55 centimeters or cm. Plus stool's height, 28 cm or centimeters. And we can now add. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Bring down 3 and carry 1 to the tens place. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 8. So the total height, if you are going to put the stool on the table, is 83 cm. So our answer here is 83 centimeters. Again, let's read the question again. What will the total height be? So the total height, if you are going to put the stool on the table, is 83 centimeters. Okay. Another example, number 2. Laura's pencil is 17 cm long. Molly's pencil is 8 cm long. How much shorter is Molly's pencil? Again, Laura's pencil is 17 cm long. Molly's pencil is 8 cm long. How much shorter is Molly's pencil? Okay, for us to be able to know how much shorter is Molly's pencil, what should we do? Yes, of course, the number sentence is 17 minus 8. Yes, of course, we have to subtract for us to be able to know how much shorter is Molly's pencil. At first, you have to write Laura's pencil, 17 centimeters, minus Molly's pencil is 8 centimeters. And we can now subtract. 7 minus 8 cannot be, so we need to borrow in the tens place. Cancel 1 becomes 0, and 7 in the ones place becomes 17, and 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. So pencil shorter 9 centimeters. Now to answer this question, how much shorter is Molly's pencil? Yes, 9 centimeters or 9 cm. So our answer here is 9 cm or 9 centimeters. Did you get it? Very good. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Number 3. The length of a plank is 35 cm. Another one is 58 cm long. If you join them end to end, what will the total length be? Again, the length of a plank is 35 cm. Another one is 58 cm long. If you join them end to end, what will the total length be? Okay, what do you think? Okay, the hint here is the word total. So if you can hear this word, what will you do? Okay, so the number sentence here will be 35 plus 58. At first, plank's length, 35 centimeters or cm, plus other plank's length is 58 cm. Okay, so we can now add 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, bring down 3 and carry 1 to the tens place. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 1, that is 9. So if you join them end to end, what will the total length be? Okay, so the total length is 93 cm or 93 centimeters. And our answer here is 93 cm. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed to what do you know? Okay, number 1, let's read this together. When you estimate, do you use a ruler? Again, when you estimate, do you use a ruler? What do you think? Based on our past lesson, can you still remember? Okay, very good. No. The answer here is no. When you estimate, do you use a ruler? The answer is no. Because you are just guessing or you are just estimating. You did not use any instruments to measure the things, right? So the answer is no. Number 2, what does CM stands for? Again, what does CM stands for? Okay, very good. CM stands for centimeter. About number 3, what is longer? 1 meter or 1 centimeter? Again, what or which is longer? 1 meter or 1 centimeter? Okay, yes, of course. The longer one is the 1 meter. Please remember that in 100 centimeters, there is only 1 meter. And in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. Let's remember that one. Okay, number 4. How many centimeters are in 1 meter? Again, how many centimeters are in 1 meter? As what I have mentioned a while ago? Yes, 100 centimeters, or there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Okay, last question. What instrument is used to measure length? Again, what instrument or what are the instruments that are used to measure length? Okay. Okay, we have ruler, tape measure, and etc. Okay. Did you get it? Very good. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson for today. And let's proceed to our activities. Here you have to answer this one. You can find this actually on page 43. I repeat, page 43, number 1. You have to show your number sentence and your method, okay? And number 2, page 43. Number 3, page 43. And here, page 44, what do you know? We have 5 questions here. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for listening. And take note, don't forget to send your work or your activities to our line group so that we teachers can check it properly. Bye-bye. Stay safe.